One of the most powerful ICT concept is fair value gaps, and in this video we will go over the top 3 best fair value gaps indicator available free on Tradingview. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. If you don't know what is fair value gap, I am putting on the screen so you can understand way better than I can explain here, because the visuals are better, but you will understand perfectly while you watch the whole video. We will have 3 indicators. I will add all of them to my chart one by one. Let's start with the first one and go over to your indicators tab, then search for fair value gap, and you will see indicator from LuxAlgo. It is called fair value gap absorption indicator. This will help you a lot while you trade. Click that to your chart, and after you add the indicator, now my time frame is 5 minutes and my ticker is Nasdaq 100. So let's see how that works. So how you will use this indicator is so simple. When you see this candle coming inside of this rectangle, it says the 20% of it got absorbed, and with this scenario, unless it goes below the 50, it's a strong buy situation. Let's take a look at one more example here. We got a bearish fair value gap appeared on our chart here. As you see that this candle and this candle gap is called a fair value gap, right? And this candle come up until the 50%. As you remember the rule, if it is below the 50%, it's a strong buy or sell. And in that scenario, you can take a short position with the bar close here. And that's my personal strategy, but it really depends on the macro time. If you trade ICT concepts, you should already know that. If not, you can go to your indicators tab and search for macro tracker, and you will see indicator from 2 degrees. Click that to your chart to see the macros on your chart. The macros means there's a high chance that your idea will confirm. So keep in mind that. But if you want to learn more, there is a lot of ICT videos, including in my channel and lot of in other YouTubers. So let's go over to the second indicator, which is called a fair value gap, obviously, and this is from Neph. Click that to your chart. After you add this indicator, again it will pull out automatically the fair value gaps on your chart. If you see that the gap between this candle close and this candle close called a fair value gap, right? You already learned this. And here we got another fair value gap, and here and here and here. If it is red, it is bearish. If it is green, it's a bullish fair value gap. Let's take a look at the third indicator, which is called a fair value gap. Obviously, again, this is with integrated gann box. Click that to your chart. This is very nice indicator, actually. I really like it. Let's hide these indicators. What it will give you is it will give you the gann levels so that you can understand if it got inversion or not. So here we see that it's bounced back from the upper gann line here, so it is still a bullish fair value gap. The gann box is highly useful. It is very similar to the absorption levels, but it is something different from that. But you can use all of them or some of them on your chart while you trade. So here you see a gann box appeared here and the candle closed. The most important thing here is the body, not the wick. Forget about the wick. Wick does the damage, bodies tell the story. This is how ICT says, right? Based on that, we see that wick does the damage, candle closed here, so we are still bearish on this position. If you take a short here with the fair value gap, or you follow some EMAs or some other indicators, you can continue to keep your short unless this body close above this fair value gap. Easy like that. So the fair value gap strategy is highly profitable. Personally, I used in my all day trades, and I highly suggest you do that also. And I gave you 3 fantastic best fair value gaps indicator, and the great thing is all of them are free to use. I know you like free, and as all of you guys know, these indicators works on any time frame and any type of market. So whatever you trade, it will work perfectly on your chart. And it is real time. It is very nice. But don't forget that don't take an action before the candle close. This is very important, but you can use it on 30 seconds or one day, whatever you want. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.